And video.
Okay.
Good. All right. Little extension, and then pull it. All right. So.
Right here. And I was like, oh no, my hand doesn't work. and so I grabbed my phone and I
Get lower.
I'm just laying there. So
Got it?
Yeah.
Use your elbow and your hip. Squeeze patient's forearm. To make your body, your patient's arm as one piece. Okay? And from here, you want to move to 90, shifting your weight to sideways. Get to 90, then use your left hand to push off and lean back gradually. If you do that, clunk.
You're hurting my son. You're killing him.
Yeah,
You're killing him.
I actually couldn't get it last year.
He's dead.
You know what?
Shift your weight to 90. Yeah, there you go. Man. Put your left hand right there. And shift your weight to 90. And lean back. Push and pull. There you go.
How to distance work? I don't know, but I'm sure I would love to try.
90に体を移動して、サイドシフトして、で、そう。
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Yep. And then, there you go.
Okay.
Get to 90. There you go. From this. So bring your knee under the patient's knee, right? And then physics, push this one down.
Okay.
That's for. Almost push down. Focus on push down.
Try getting your knee underneath their knee. It's almost like stopping it.
And extraordinary.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Hey!
Yep. And then push down. A little bit internal. Rotate this way. Yeah. There you go.
Easy.
Come here. You can. Okay. Yeah. You get face this way. Completely. Yeah. Put step in here.
With my left, right?
Yeah. You're right. Step right there. Yeah. Okay. And then push down. You get closer. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, you got a long leg. There you go. You too, you got long leg people here.
I don't feel like that.
Next. Get blocked up.
I don't think I'd be able to do
Yeah, I used that ATA, the wire is a little messed up. I walked it right big.
Oh, okay. Anterior. Don't mess with it. You know what I was here?
There, and then all you're doing is come in here, and then rotating.
Yeah, I said that.
There you go.
Yeah.
Kind of that, how we're going to have it later.
Big, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Bow. Yeah. All right, all you.
Get you gotta get your holding it under that.
The leg gotta be straight. The leg gotta be straight.
You gotta.
This leg gotta be straight.
You gotta.
Where's the bench at? The leg's bench at.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Get it a little more extended so you can get under there to leverage it up.
That's the case, then
Yeah. You see what he did?
here, and then I'll be holding it. But you just think about it. This is no bite attached to it.
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah.
Taking the 14 get somewhere left.
God damn. All right.
Get on the field, kid.
All right.
Come on.
So that's kind of like his femur just broken when they pulled the hamstring. Oh, yeah. Traction on his femur.
I guess maybe he named it all.
I'm gonna do on 3, okay? That's what I was telling you. I'm always like, I'm gonna go on 3, okay?
There you go. Yeah. You got your TBL leg. Step more technique. Step on step. You gotta step. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
Jeez, be easy.
Out. Yeah. And then push down. There you go.
So it's almost like you're kind of like going up and down.
Well, so think about shoulder, anterior dislocation, you do external rotation. Hips, internal rotation. So go back. Okay. Yeah. Bingo.
Awesome. Oh, thanks. Great teaching. Appreciate it.
Go up and down, up and down. You gotta hold the wheel tight. Yeah. And it gets 90, and then traction and also external rotation. You do that. Which to me is like so far away.
Yeah.
Okay?
Traction.
Okay?
Traction.
Okay, so the video doesn't tell you how much traction.
Right.
So that's the hard part for me. It's like, people ask how much traction to keep the arm straight, not like the you pull so hard, which since you don't know, you learn it. Okay,
Right.
so first thing you do, just keep it elbow straight, go up and down, up and down, up and down. Just hold it real quick and get to 90, and then it doesn't go in, then the extra rotation and traction.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, and then traction, which is more. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, and put your arm here. Okay. So use your elbow right there. So your body and the patient's arm is one piece, right? Shift your weight to side 90 to come here. Arm. And then push and lean back. There you go.
Easier.